Hi, it's Fiona Fernandez from Piedmont. There's all my details. If you're shopping with me, there's my host code for December. I've been busy doing lots of Christmas cards, and I've just been doing some birthday cards because we've got a family thing tomorrow. But I'll just show you a couple of the Christmas cards I've been working on. Some of these. I'm using some products. This stamp set is retiring, but it's still in the shop at the moment, as far as I know. So I just did a few of those, and I did a bit of stitching yesterday around the edges here. That's the elegant trim that I used for that, and some of these ones. So again, the red and the green foils, as far as I saw yesterday, they were still in the clearance rack, so check that out. But you could use any foils, you don't just have to use red and green, and the gold is already retired. Just trying to use up some stuff in my stash, and free shipping the other day, so I got a box. Don't think there's much in there, but a big box for a few things, but that's okay. All good. Oh, lots of air. So that's always helpful to protect our things. Snip that little bit. Just thought it's so cold out today. I just stayed inside. Windy as out there. Crazy weather, isn't it? I put a photo up last night of me with my jacket on. My hood. Get the air out of here. So you can just pop all these and get the air out of them, and they biodegradable. Oh, all my stuff's in the bottom of the box. Here we go. So I just stocked up a bit on some cardstock because it's a great way to do it when they've got a free shipping on. They do that every now and again, and they just sort of let us know. And we don't have much time to tell you, but we try and tell you as soon as we know. So I've got some soft succulent cardstock. This is the A4 cardstock. You can get cardstock in packets of combinations too, you know. You don't have to buy them all in single colours. That's Night of Navy, so it's that nice deep rich navy blue. So that's different to the one I showed you a minute ago, this card. This is the Starry Night blue, so you can just see the difference between the two. So that's one of the in colours at the moment, the latest in colours. This one is Evening Evergreen. So if you want to buy anything, should be a link on the screen that I enabled, I hope. And that goes straight to my shop or my page, and you can go shop now from there. Melon Mamba, love that. Lovely hot pink colour. So gorgeous. And I just got a couple of other, what did I get? This is a new one. So this is coming out, Night of Navies. That goes with the cardstock. Look at that. I love these sort of ribbons, and I just bought some more of this. This is what this one is. The vanilla, gold vanilla. I love that, and I've been using it on my cards. So that one is where's my other card? This one, that ribbon. Very, very pretty ribbon. Easy to use, and it ties nicely as well. So I got another one of those, and I got this beautiful new blue Night of Navy one, which looks very similar. So this is coming out in the next catalogue in January. So if you want a catalogue, you don't have a demonstrator, and you're in Australia, I am happy to send you one. So I always see if this works. I usually squeeze it like this to get the plastic up, like that, and then get my snips in under the plastic, like that. Give it a snip so I don't have to try and find that loose end, that little sticky end. Let's have a look at this. Oh, that's pretty. It's easy. Let's see what it's like to tie. Always fun to tie bows and things. This is a little bit firmer than the other one, the gold vanilla, but it's quite nice. Look at that. Nice sturdy. I just work on my bows a bit, back and forward, back and forward. Give them a bit of a workout. Get it to the way you want it. That's quite nice. That turned out alright. Look, I'm covered in blue. I've been doing a bit of stamping. That's a lovely bow. Oh, I'll undo that so we don't mark it all. Pop that up there. Now this is one of the celebration items. So as a demonstrator, you get to take part in that now. You don't earn the other rewards for it until it goes live to customers, but you do earn, once you spend $90, you can get some free things. So this is one of the free ones. It's favoured flowers design, and I've got one open already from last time I put an order in. So I'll pull that out because I've already opened that one. Let's have a quick, I can't remember if I did this in my live unboxing last time or whether I did it on my live on Wednesday nights. So I'll just show you. So they're double-sided, so you get to see both sides of the paper. It's a matte paper, it's not a shiny one. Got the beautiful flowers. They're pretty, aren't they? Show you both sides. Show you that. Oh, that is so rich, look. Gorgeous. That's the other side of that one. That is interesting. That I think I said this last time I showed it. I did show it on something because it's sort of like it's lighter in some spots, but depending on how the light's hitting it, it's very interesting how they do that. Those are beautiful, beautiful flowers. That's the back of that one. Maybe it's just that my eyes playing tricks with the light. Yeah, beautiful. Look at that. There's the back. Is that the back of that one? Hang on, maybe I've got two. No, I've got too many. Hang on, there's the back of that one. It's fresh freesia, I think. I think it's fresh freesia, and this one's the back of the next one, which will be this one on the ground here. That's the back of that. And I think that's all. So it's just a quick little unboxing today. But if you've got any questions or you'd like to order anything with me, let me know. I'll just find my details again under here. There they are. If you're looking for a demonstrator, I'm in Piedmont in Sydney, and I'm planning to do some more in-person things next year. Just having a bit of a break over Christmas, New Year, and then we'll get back into it in February. So my next card and cuppa in Piedmont is the 19th of February. So just contact me or go to my stampinup.net and look in my events section and you'll find out what I'm doing and up to. Okay, happy Saturday. Ciao.